strawberry jam inside the French toast, and then this is grilled cheese. So I just dropped off the kids at school. I guess we can start organizing my closet. Or should I do the laundry first? Aiden's adding Korean subtitles for my newest video. I need to clear this out. I think my brother's gonna need something to hang his clothes, so we're gonna let him hang his clothes on there. Today I'm gonna finish organizing my clothes. I did start on it. I got rid of most of my summer clothes, but I still have some left. 2 drawers down there. These are some of my favorite jeans. I love black bras. Most of my bras are black. And then here, I showed you guys on my previous episode, most of my workout clothes. And then these are all skirts. I love skirts. I was thinking about putting them away with my summer clothes, but sometimes I like to wear skirts with like stockings, even in the winter time. The shorts. I should probably put the shorts away, right? I have this skirt, black skirt. I love this tweed skirt that I bought from Bershka. Kind of looks like Chanel, doesn't it? Here, I have some outerwears. Okay, so took out my sweaters. This is my favorite one from Zara. This one's also from Zara. This is from Style Nanda. It's one of my favorite ones. Okay, let's pack these away. So here by the kitchen, we have another small closet here. We keep some of the kids' clothes here, Aiden's, and then my jackets in here. So I took out my padding. You know, I have some of my coats hanging in here since I don't have room in my room. Coats here, 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 here. I have to clean today. So lately, the kids been sleeping out here in the tent. They've been loving it. My allergies are so bad. Whenever I'm like organizing my closet and stuff, it gets worse because like the dust. So we had a light breakfast this morning, so we're gonna have to go eat lunch soon. Done with my closet, done with laundry. I just have to vacuum this room and then bring our extra bed in here. And then let's go eat lunch. Vacuum. Where's the vacuum? Three days ago, I kind of did my own nails. Some of the glitter ones are stickers actually, and then I painted my nails black, and I also glued like these type of like nail stones. I had it on this finger. I took it off. It's so pretty. I actually got this from Daiso from Mr. Bauer. The glitter one's really pretty. Because the glitter actually looks like a gel nail. It doesn't look real. Love packages. Too cool for school. Black and gold. These are the refills for the cushion. Sunset Chic. Oh, my favorite shading. I guess they changed the packaging. I think it's their lipsticks because they just launched their lipsticks. Oh yes. Okay, so this is the one that I saw at the event. It's like sparkly. We're just gonna eat at home. I guess we'll just make whatever we can from what we have. We don't have that much stuff. Maybe I'll make like stir-fried sausage and eggs and Korean pancakes and eat it with rice. 네, 시작해볼까요? Diagonally, it's bigger. Keep stirring until the onions are ready. 2 spoons of the sweet chili sauce. 1 spoon of sriracha. Not 1 spoon, maybe around that much. A little bit of ketchup. A little bit of barbecue. Some gochujang paste. Add some water in here. Some sesame seeds. Gochu? I think it's called chives. Down here, they sell these like at the Korean markets. You don't want it to be too watery and you don't want it to be too thick, so like right in between. I'll just put some soy sauce, vinegar, and red pepper. Done. Lunch, good enough. My stir-fried sausage, some kimchi thing, egg and rice is the bomb. If you guys have nothing to eat at home, just egg and rice tastes really good. And then we have some Korean pancakes here. Opa, eat! Just got done eating. Yeonu in school in 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna chill at home, watch some TV. Aiden's gonna go pick him up. Talk to you guys later. Bye guys. The kids are obsessed with like insects right now, so they bought all these real looking insect toys and it freaks me out all the time because they look so real.